And she was also, the U.S. consented to no ICE detention. She will go directly from the BOP facility. She's asked for Danbury, beginning January 29th. She will go directly to an airport and fly to Ghana. So it's kind of it's unique because I see a lot of people that actually go via ICE. But this is the case, this is the sentencing, a year and a day for Hajia4Real or Mona Faze Montrage. Inner City Press, we cover the case from the beginning to the end.
Abusiam Wakwaba at the Batu Maji is Messrs and any day the Kanya. Uni me a dear share subscribe my channel way. Ubi a mere Adomanoso. I'ma upload the baby once it's me akabi. Abusia Hajia4Real and I didn't ask Samaria. A summoner Bobona, Yedino Aquacotum. Savi Donimun Chirimu and I'm a dear bro. I ate too much it. Jibre, Nayanko in Simna Fay. Abusia Hajia4Real, send ye no Aya Babiana. Or yes, social media influencer Ghana had no wajini di pa na ne Hajia4Real send na social media no so na odi adane e ka ne cars nie ene tomukra na afi Hajia adane dwuntuni a utwanwom na okopie mu America no ene ko ba se yakwa akwache na dian na Hajia4Real eye ya yakwache na e twese Hajia4Real ene gang bi eye scammers e wo internet ne so a omo dada abrofo no ma eye wo ma dwene se omo ne wo ehwehwe hwa na so omo ne wo etwempona enum no na je so modo ma no afa ho a no ma dada wa mo wasende sika puduo e de ato wo account mu a eno ene dwuma na Hajia4Real odi enu nti abrofo no di ne ntaa okopie mu e wo America mo ma na mo se ne ekua ya chill nsemi eba afofo na ne yin na enim se ne nsem no esikowe e wo Ghana ha ebede ntre ha na ebi mu kra e kyerese Hajia4Real se ne nsemi iko ese ebona obetimi akwakodam be 20 years eno mbetimi edi amano eno nti omo de Hajia4Real ekọ court ne edikan no okoko plead guilty eno nti no omo ma no bill na $50 million bill na eda ne tiri so a eye bolo mutwa ede ma Hajia4Real eno mde ne kokotwere mu se onko dare ma na omundi na asem no enfem free ho nteni omudi asem no di free ho asem no ko asem no mra na busua afei de omadi asem no awie ama ye hu enfie dodo a omudi ama Hajia4Real ye ma ne 20 years and I say infie dodo sempo ene de ma Hajia4Real sa video no ena mensa kan pesa no nyina ye kone kokohwe enfie dodo a ye de ma Hajia4Real afei enfie na chi no sen ena Hajia4Real na brabo eba ba ye aha eye too much gh meso se ne ene de edikan ya hoshia channel we subscribe ema channel we mia adoma no so ama upload baby a won set me akabi yanko ko sene Hajia4Real na sene no ekọ ene mfie dodo a ye de ma anura.
Okay, here we are, Matthew Russell Lee, Inner City Press, here at the Southern District of New York Courthouse. We just covered the sentencing of Mona Faze Montrage, also known as Hajia4Real or Mona4Real in Ghana. But she was sentenced on romance scam charges. We've covered the case from the beginning. She was extradited in, and she pled guilty. Her sentencing guideline was 37 months to 46 months. She wanted 3 months. There was a big dispute in the sentencing proceeding about whether a former boyfriend talked her into it or if in fact she'd had some of these bank accounts opened before she even met him. There was allegations of abuse against the former boyfriend. There was an allegation of that a victim one who tracked her down to the Bronx, New York via her Instagram photos had in fact been catfished. That was the allegation, that her image was used with the voice of another person. None of it was resolved. Judge Etkin took a break, and when he returned, he imposed a sentence of a year and a day. This will allow good time credit. And she was also, the U.S. consented to no ICE detention. She will go directly from the BOP facility. She's asked for Danbury, beginning January 29th. She will go directly to an airport and fly to Ghana. So it's kind of it's unique because I see a lot of people that actually go via ICE. But this is the case, this is the sentencing, a year and a day for Hajia4Real or Mona Faze Montrage. Inner City Press, we cover the case from the beginning to the end. InnerCityPress.com.
A lot of people. These people have gone through the process. You're charging or you're convicted or mama could them 30 years, 45 years, 50 years. They be caught as teenagers. They come out as old men. It's mama we are in once every year watching it there and massa.
No, it's a big deal.
No, it is a big deal.
Why are you talking like you are talking like you like to create some impression to make it look like something is so mild.
Kasa.
FBI is ordinary.
Relax.
No, make us relax. Your counter you are giving is to my statement.
You know
what are you
your
talking about FBI? Go and be arrested by FBI see if it's ordinary. What are you talking about? Let FBI arrest you if it's ordinary.
In my initial submission, the charges.
If it's not big, let's set yourself free.
Oh, let me finish, then you can come in.
Me and Ameka the charges are critical. But these are the same people. So yes, we mean say they've wrongfully convicted a lot of people. Go to the US, check their National Registry of Exoneration. By February 2020, close to 3,000 cases are wrongfully convicted for. And he said it. If you cry, there were movies. Central Park 5. These young boys, 5 young boys are wrongfully charged on me. They went through the same process. Conspiracy to murder. After 30 plus years, they move him. There's another movie, another one said there movie, Michael B. Jordan and Jamie Foxx. Yeah. The same process. It's in as much as you name say ABI charges no air critical down. Mammy, I say, no. Go and check. It's like we are all saying.
Do we have cases of money laundry, love, romance? Because normally a meda in the Do you have examples of it, Miaka? Because the man I can be meda cases now. Because so kaya with regards to Hajia case, it is a so for 10 years. No or mureda so. Inti for 10 years na still remember when you're wrong there and then the same day.
Nobody, it happens. Obianka say
money laundry. Romance come Miss Animal. Me pay medal, some medal the different level.
Anod me ba.
Me ba so the Anod man anu si na Obianka sa mesra. Alibas ma
This is short statements. Even if they don't get it wrong, so she shouldn't celebrate her birthday.
And you pay another one I'm about. And they know you are doing 100%.
So even if they are right, so
convict you omo language in Japan. Omo birthday they celebrate. What are we talking about? Listen, say. Say, you go charge near the YouTube, near Mount Bela. It means your life comes to a standstill.
Abusia wakwa akwhwe Hajia4Real ni mfieru do edema na fe wo husani asene no esikoye eni mfieru do a yedema Hajia4Real na eno na ebi mu kyerese akosi broni de ono wonya de kwa na nka mfie o se ye hwe kwan se edema Hajia4Real no ase afe baako ene dako ne de omate sokra eno nti adwene ba na teche omde tezo ne no mo kyerese ensem no mo kyerese ebi ka se Hajia4Real se no ase one America aban ne ba be adwuma me kyerese BNI fo ne FBI fo ne security bambofo na wo America no Hajia4Real nim na ba be adwuma se ne Hajia4Real no se odi ni na ne dodo wie na ye deport no de ne ba Ghana ha na se musuo ka na ko hu na ko ene Hajia bo de na sa do ho ko for na waso betimi ayehye eno ne ensem a amanfo ka de fa Hajia4Real ne ensem no sen ana wo so wadwen yo ma yehu e wo comment section ho aha aye too much Jesus ne ene de dika won media share subscribe channel we mi adoma no so ama upload bi e bebia on set mi akebe background.